Hello guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I will create a random effects in Unreal Engine Niagara for my Patreons. So I have opened this Unreal Engine 4.27 and I'll use this because it has lots of new features in Unreal Engine Niagara and I like that. So I'll just create a randomly effect. I don't have very specific thing in my mind, but I will create something randomly that I use, and let's see what comes up. So I'll create a Niagara and I'll take fountain because that's my favorite. I'll take all the time and I'll rename it FX. And so I have this fountain now, and just rename this. So just rename this